Alright, welcome everyone. Finally, I decided I will do some cooking. I'm not really organized for it, and my other phone is about to die as well. I'll have to use this one and see what happens. Anyway, I think I put my other phone on charge for now because this one is as well not the best, unfortunately. It was a 4%. I wasn't ready for this. Not at all. Not at all. But let's see what happens. I will get a better view for the camera eventually, and hopefully everyone can hear me properly. Hello, cowboy. Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Rain. Well, I started with the stock. I got my phone in a cup, which is, I found the best way to settle it. It's got some stuff in it. Actually, let's lower it down because it's quite high. I don't have the best kitchen in the world. It's electric, unfortunately, but there's not much I can do about it. This is where we're going to do the rice. And see what happens. The moment is just 2 people, but that's fine. That's good. I don't mind that. At least people can watch it later. You know, suppose it could be, yeah. Like I will. Like the stock, as you peel the onions, you keep all the stuff, you wash it properly, and if you do like courgette or any other things, you keep all this, and all this stuff, it makes a very good stock. It might look messy, but when you go to the high kitchens, that's how they make stock in those places, in the restaurant. Yes, Tesco, let's go, some food. I'm gonna make rice, just sausage rice. It won't be the longest stream. Once it's done, I'll stop the stream or raise someone else. I have to keep my phone battery on it's at 48% at the moment, it's all good. Let me know when I can start, and then yeah, I can start making some food. That's a stock which I'll be using for the risotto today. There's loads of protein, I know it might look weird, but that's how the professional do it. You go in a professional kitchen, that's how they make the stock. And that's the pan. And we got the olive oil going on at the moment. Okay, I suppose we can start. How do you make good rice? About a spoon of olive oil, no more than that. Then you get half onion, which I already diced it. And we start on low heat, not too high. We want to start getting the onion golden brown. Let's see if we can get a better angle. I couldn't find my phone holder, unfortunately. Yay! Grumps, welcome in. Welcome in, welcome everyone. So I'll add the video on YouTube where Rain will do it for me because I don't have a computer. We'll start, we'll actually do a little higher and then start seasoning it. We got the stock ready. Already made the stock. Look at that stock. And there is only one stock cube in there. You don't need more than that. Because all the flavors you get it from the vegetables you put in it. That's a very good stock. Just put a very small amount of salt in it, but not much more than that. Thanks to all those beautiful vegetables we add in there. Like you will wash the carrot and the onion properly, like that, the peel. Well, actually, all the peel of the vegetables give you all those extra proteins and all the good stuff. Well, I didn't start cooking, Rain. We were doing the risotto. Start to finish. It won't be like a short video, it'll probably be half an hour or so. Risotto. Can anyone hear me? I got some headsets phones, if it's better. Put those on. Or if you want to hear the sound of the kitchen going as well, we can keep it like this. It'd be a risotto with sausage, or you can do it with whatever. You can have it with mushrooms. You start with mushrooms. Instead of onions, you put garlic. Yeah, we'll lower the temperature down because we don't want to cook it too quickly. We got the stock going on, we got the extra water from the kettle if we need it. I'm sure everybody do you want me to put the headphones on? I can put the headphones on. About like this, but you won't hear the cooking like this, but you will hear my voice, probably a little louder. The cooking sounds good. Okay, so we'll probably keep it there. Well, I'm glad everyone is here. I'm happy. Well, I got headphones with a mic built in. I can put them on if you want. Let's see if it works. Put both on. Okay, what about this? Is this better, Rain? Don't worry, you might think I forget the onions, but the onion is just cooking. Well, we'll keep this on for now. Then, after you got the onion like that, you put the rice in. I got basmati rice. It's not the Italian one, but it's fine. And you start getting the rice a bit. Then we'll have the sausage slowly. Just small pieces, breaking it up, or I took the skin off already of the sausage. But unfortunately, I don't have a dog. Nothing I can do about it. If my mom in the other room watching movies, and they probably have dogs or something on the TV, they'll eat barks at that. We put 2 sausages inside. They've been cut in half, and the skin has been taken off. Yeah, there you go. We'll get a better view of the camera there. When we're moving the rice and the sausages. So it's on low heat. We'll start to put the stock in a little bit when the sausage start cooking a little, just a small amount. The sausage will be cooked anyway. It will take half an hour to make the rice. Anyway, let me get a colander because it's required for this. Another one in here. There we go, got some more colander. Because we want to make sure all this cooks properly. Don't worry, I think at the end of the video we'll reveal my face if everyone is interested. I don't look amazing, I'm just like an average person. If everyone is interested, I can do something different every Sunday. And you start with about 3 spoons of stock and slowly cooking it. My heat gently put a little higher. Oh, thank you, Rain. It's very simple. We can make more complex recipe eventually. Okay, how's everyone doing at the moment? That's the stock. We're going to keep it on the low setting. Keep on number 2 because it's got heating, and yeah. I feel like the cup approach is actually quite good. And we're slowly cooking it. Like, this is only the beginning. You can break some of the sausage as well. You can do it with zucchini, you can do it with a lot of stuff. Doesn't have to be sausage. Or just plain onion. Then you do and then you just pour saffron inside. You can have saffron. I don't think I got saffron. The only thing you need to do is making sure is as these is asking for more broth, you put more broth in it, more stock. Normally, if you're watching a video on YouTube, there'll be editing in the video. Yeah. Yes, if anybody wants to see my face after, just vote away. I'm sure Ray knows what I look like anyway. No hiding now. Okay, I think I got saffron, but that's fine. I don't think we need it. We can put a hint of tomato sauce in it. Or we just leave it like this. You know, we don't need to put anything else. It should be pretty good rice. Just have it a little bit on the higher, put number 5. But again, you don't want to too violently cooking stuff. It's actually, yeah. Apparently no one cares. Yeah, Rain, is just me and you watching now. Everyone left. Well, I sort of knew it was going to be like that. Because it's like, when you're watching a video of someone cooking from start to finish, it's better off on YouTube. If I make the video and do a little comment about it, but then they want to see the finished product. Right, they made it and they left pretty quickly. It says 4, but it says 2 on my phone. What is the result? One person said yes, and 2 said no. Okay, but then no face reveal then. Even if the one won, because the other left. Well, it's just you, Wayne. I think I'll carry on play games and don't really worry about live streaming making food. Oh, arranging it a bit better than I got a Parmesan cheese for later. Yeah, I can do it on YouTube. Is going to be the thing. But on YouTube it'd be like editing the video. You get like the start of the risotto, and you get to see how it finishes. Because watching how the rice is cooking, like this. I don't want to stay there for 20-30 minutes watching someone cooking rice. It is what it is. Well, you can't say I didn't try. Hey, Demon Hunter. How's it going? Is this cookies and rice? That's the stock over there. We did put the olive oil at first, then the onions, and then I did put the rice. But normally you should put the sausage first, but then it doesn't matter if you put it the other way around. Still taste is good. Till it's cooked, and then if you go saffron, you can add saffron in. Well, my phone is going stupid. Yeah, I definitely did some cooking. Well, literally, it's cooking. It's not like we're playing a game. It's making rice with sausage, but you can do it with courgette, or you can do like a mix with quite a few vegetables inside. Well, I did say, it will take probably a while to cook the rice anyway, and it's not like you can edit the live stream. But I'm glad everyone is here. I'm glad for everyone who's watching. If I do sound like I'm complaining. Just testing the rice, see if it does need more stock. Which at the moment it does need more stock. This is stock. That's all the vegetables we put inside to make the stock. I know it might look a bit weird, but that's how professional do it. That's how it's cooking. It makes a really good stock, the way I done it. But if anyone is interested, it's very easy. You pour the water in a pan. You just have all the peelings, because it has to be nice and washed as well, not just like that. Like from the carrot, onions, you can have like I didn't put just a peeling, I had the entire carrot. Onion, if you do like my mom did some courgette, and then there will stuff off that which we put in the stock. All this stuff is all to make the stock. You cook it for 20-30 minutes. It's not, it doesn't have to be cooked for hours. 30 minutes, and then leave it on as you're making the rice. Yeah, and then how are you, Demon Hunter, if you're still watching, or anyone that still watches? How's everyone doing? How's everyone's day going? Yes, it's for me and my mom. It won't be just for tonight. We'll have some tomorrow as well. There's quite a lot of it. Normally I go with 2 handfuls per person, and I did an extra one. All this it could be for 3 people, easy. Or did you start with a nice dish, like a nice risotto, nice and easy? And if that were popular, then I could just we could do something more complex eventually. No, that's fine. Yeah, I was, as nobody wanted to see my face, then I respect that. And I'm preparing for once we got the rice done. As the rice is cooking, I think the stock will be just about enough. Yeah. I need to learn how to edit my own videos, so that I can just make a video and then edit it with my voice afterward. Or just know when I'm editing in, when I'll be talking, then I'll be like editing the video. Because live stream like this, it can be the best risotto on the planet. Yeah, actually it wasn't, can't complain, it wasn't really a bad stream so far. Thank you, Ring. You shouldn't have done that. Okay, let's see if the rice is getting ready. Yeah, almost there. A bit more stock. Yeah, they didn't really put anything at the title, I don't think. I think Wayne did it. Thank you. Well, risotto, but it's okay. Rosetto is Rossetto. That's not something you eat, Rain. Rossetto is what women put on their mouth to look pretty, like, it's red, pink. It's the lipstick stuff. Risotto. Well, I should plant this a bit better and then actually, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, risotto is going well with sausage. We're getting there. It has low progress of cooking, but yeah, I think we got pretty much. I pretty much got it perfect. If it does require a bit more water, we could just put some water in stock. But I don't think it does. Now don't worry about it. Don't worry about the name, right? I just seen it now, my Risotto, right? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it does. It does. It smells. I wish I can share this smell in the stream as well. It does smell really good. Which now we just have to wait for the rice to thicken up. Definitely posting on YouTube. Rain is going to do it for me, and definitely going to post it on YouTube. And I think eventually I'll get myself a nice camera that I can actually make some videos. Just general. Put on 4, and I will put a little lower. At least start. Okay. Now, yeah, it's almost cooked. You just grab like 1 grain of rice to taste it. I'm not sure. I need to find a way to do it. Yes, it's quite a small way of watching, unfortunately. Sorry about that, I wish the picture was a bit bigger. But it's the first stream of cooking, and oh, thank you, that's okay. Don't worry about it. We almost got it done anyways. Good. At the end of the stream I might tag some I'm pretty sure Rain can once I finish the stream, I'm sure Rain can rate someone. Once it gets to this point, you want to make sure you stir a bit more often, as is drying up. You don't want the rice to burn. And now it's going to get even thicker. And I wish people can smell it. It smells amazing. It smells really good. Well, we can do another post if anyone wants to see my face, but I don't think it'd be very interesting. I don't look especially in nothing special. Just a fat man with short hair. But I think he wanted to do that a little bit of. Well, we're almost there. I need like a professional camera. Okay. As we have more people watching now, we're about to finish the stream anyway, because the rice is no longer left for be finished anyway. It doesn't take forever to cook good with. Like simple rice, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. And if you start with the stock, it will probably say fully will take you an hour with the proper stock. You start cooking the stock for half an hour. And then you start with the rice and you slowly have the stock cook. I could have done other recipes on the other was doing the rice, but it's just me and my mother. This is already too much. And we already got like loads of food. But yeah, I could make pizza, I could make bread, I could make loads of stuff. I'll probably be like, I'll do the dough and then, well, I won't be doing a live stream of that. Because it takes a long time to go for it. You want biscuit and cakes shaped as a dinosaur. Yeah, you can have biscuit shaped anything. There you go, now it's getting nice and dry. Because risotto is not like a soup at the end of the day. Now we'll switch it off. We'll leave it on until it sort of give it like a nice relaxing try. Well, dense. I could probably face reveal that well, face reveal 100% that one, but I'm not going to dent. I can't dance. It'd be earthquake. You can probably feel it where you live, Rain. And then at the end of the, when you finish that, pour a spoon of butter. And that is literally finished now. Okay. We don't need the stock anymore. We're done with that. And the rice is done. Then you'll have the Parmesan cheese eventually. Okay, that's the rice. Who wants a shout out? I can. Rain, can you do it? Well, that's my face. I look ugly. I don't look like a nice person. And there you go. Nothing special about my face. Rain, can you do the shout out? Well, not now because I don't eat at 5:30 normally, or 6:30 almost. We'll eat later. Yes, face reveal. It's my ugly face. It's not in. I got the headphones like that I can hear. Well, I can. Well, I can't hear anything because I'm not watching a video, but I can at least speak through them. No, I'm a fatty. I'm a, Anyway, we'll go back to the rice and Rainworld, can you I don't know how to. Who wants to be raided? Can you shout out, people? Let's have a look what's online. I thought you could do it, Rain. I don't want to just end the video like this. More or what, Rain? Rice is done. Yes, can you raid someone for me? I'm sure you can. You're the moderator, no? Oh yeah. I mean, I can try to raid the Royal Queen. No shout out, so can you raise someone? Sorry. Okay, thank you. Well, I appreciate everybody that has been watching so far with the rice. And I might do some more cooking videos eventually. And yeah, thank you. That's the rice is done and it's delicious. with a nice stock done. I'm ready whenever you are, Rain. Oh yeah, definitely, Schoolboy, definitely. It'll be once a week. It'll be on a Sunday, and I can make bread as well, because I got the mixer. Yeah. When you're ready, Rain, we can. Okay, I'm stopping the stream now.